3D. Trap, check this out, If I close this eye, I feel red and angry. And if I close this eye, I feel blue and sad.
Oh, man, 3D's so cool. It's like that fire escape is actually there.
I know. Ow. You okay? You all right?
Call our lawyer, Tim. We're taking this staircase down.
That was so lame.
I don't like these movies. They're just not that scary.
Lame? Not scary. That was 3D horror poetry. Tell me you weren't welling up when Needlemouth had a touching reunion with his father and then ate him. I think you're missing the key point. The guy has needles for a mouth.
Sorry, but it takes more than gimmicky villains and cheesy dialogue to scare me.
Yeah, this coming from someone who's afraid to sit in the balcony because it's too high.
I'm not afraid of heights. I just don't like them intensely.
Sweet, delicious fear.
Yeah, well, if you guys ask me, it's like that guy said in Die Hard. There's nothing to fear but fear itself.
So you're saying you're not afraid of anything?
Guys, hello, I'm a werewolf with superhuman speed and strength. And as far as fighting scary monsters, I'm like 41-0. God should know that.
Excuse me, I'm moving right along. You don't have to go home, but you can't stay here. Hasta la see ya, wouldn't want to be ya. Sir, I'm afraid you have to clear out of this alley.
That's not all you're afraid of. I think I'm gonna like this town.
I used to own this town. Now it's all turned upside down. I wish I could figure out. Do you think it's just a phase I'm going through? Just a phase I'm going through.
Well, Lori and I had been broken up for a couple weeks. And the cool thing was, I was totally over her.
Hi, Tommy.
So? Lori say anything about me?
She's packed up her heart and moved on. Stop checking the P.O. box for postcards, because there is no mail service from the city of Splitsville.
Do you think she's just playing hard to get?
Listen, I know your pain. Getting over Cindy Goldfarb really hurt. Of course, she stabbed me with her pencil when I drooled on her algebra book, but the point is, I learned to get over her.
I should just get over Lori and find someone else.
You could try being alone for a while. I mean, some people spend years between relationships.
Burton! Hey! Hey, this is Tori, my new girlfriend. Tori, this is Merton.
Tori, huh? It's kind of like Lori, but with a T.
When I spell my name, the O is a smiley face and the I is dotted with the heart. Totally.
Tommy, can I have a word?
Hey, why don't you go get us some pudding cups? I'll check you in a second, okay? 2 spoons.
Tommy, before I have to watch you share a pudding cup with Tori Smiley Face, don't you think you should slow down a little bit here?
What are you talking about, Burton? We're in love. Yeah, she makes me want to be a better man. She completes me.
And when did all this happen?
In math. She had me at hello.
Guys, I found her like this in the hallway. She's freaking out. She won't stop shaking. Snakes. Snakes. She keeps saying that.
Hey, this is weird. I saw 2 other kids acting like this in the nurse's office last period.
What were you doing in the nurse's office?
Faking an asthma attack to get out of gym.
3 kids like this in one day? Something weird is going on.
She probably saw a snake and freaked. Now, if you guys will excuse me, I'm gonna go sit with my new girlfriend. Tori, who I'm dating now.
Tori?
Tori.
figure this out?
I knew Merton thought I was rushing into things with Tori, but I could tell we had a lot more in common than he thought.
I love summer vacation.
Oh my gosh, you like summer vacation too? It's like we're soulmates. So, you like kickboxing?
No, but I like ponies.
Yeah, me too. Oh, that's our food. I'll be right back.
Hi, Tommy. I heard you and Lori broke up.
Yeah, now I'm dating Tori.
What? Was she, like, waiting outside your house? Because I didn't see her. Here, Tommy. Put this on.
I'm a pony person?
I know it's a bit soon, but I want you to have it. Aren't you gonna put it on?
Yeah, sure. Okay. Tori, listen, I gotta run, but I'm psyched to talk more about ponies. So, maybe you can meet me at the factory later?
Okay.
Okay, bye. I don't know why, but something about that guy following Becky really creeped me out. I had to check it out.
Aren't you afraid to be walking in the dark alone?
Buzz off, Epic Geezer. Okay, that's freaky looking, but I'm not scared of you.
Well then, let's see what does scare you.
Hey! Hey, pal, get back here. Oh, Becky? Becky, hey. Hey, what's going on?
This isn't happening to me! Please, please! Please! What's up with everybody?
I don't know. Sorry, sir. Hey, nice cape. Great to see the Matlock generation embracing goth culture. Top hat's a bit dressy, but otherwise
Come on, Merton, this is no time for goth bonding. Excuse me, come on.
Two milkshakes.
No, no.
2 milkshakes, please.
Sharks. They're everywhere. Sharks.
Merton, he's doing it too, just like those other kids at school. What's everybody freaking out for?
Well, our friend here is a little shark shy, and that girl at school had a thing about snakes. Fairly common phobias. Lori, that's it.
That was the guy we saw at the factory.
He's a phobiast. A creature who feeds on his victim's greatest fear. That's why everyone was acting so weird. I can't believe I complimented his wardrobe.
Guys, some creepy old dude just put Becky in a trance. Disappeared before I can wolf him up.
He's a phobiast, Tommy, a fear vampire.
Drowning. I'm drowning.
Yeah, she's been saying that for the past 20 minutes.
Yeah, Becky's been afraid of drowning since she was a kid.
Well, that's what you think she's doing right now. Please!
Don't worry, sis. Your big bro's gonna help you. It's gonna help you out. I think I calmed her down a little.
Good, well, let's go kick some butt.
Don't know how we're gonna do that exactly. I think he may have a few tricks up his cape. If you'll direct your attention to Exhibit A, you'll note that... You're a pony person?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, Tori gave it to me, you know, because we both love ponies.
Oh, excuse me. Merton searches his entire life experience for the appropriate response to that statement. I got nothing. So, you and Tori love ponies?
Yes. I'm supposed to meet her at the factory later.
The factory? Well, that's where the phobiast is right now.
What? Listen, you guys figure out how to beat this guy. I gotta go warn Tori.
I wonder who else he's gotten to.
No TV! No TV!
Uh-oh. According According to this book, the phobia's trance only lasts a few hours.
Uh-oh, what do you mean? That's good, right?
I'll finish. After which time the phobia's victim is literally scared to death.
You mean Becky's gonna die?
Not if we defeat the phobiast. Unfortunately, in order to do that, we need somebody who doesn't have any fears. Without going into great detail, I don't qualify.
Tommy does.
Tori! Hey, Tori, listen,
Hi.
I can't exactly explain this, but if you see a weird guy with a cape and a lantern, just stay away from him, please.
Okay. Tommy, hi. We're going to speak to you alone.
Come on, Tommy, let's go.
Hurry back. I want to show you something.
Tommy, the phobia's fear trances are lethal. The only person who can stop him is someone without fears.
You once said you weren't afraid of anything. Are you still up to that claim?
Yeah. Let me just go say goodbye to Tori, you know, being that she's my girlfriend.
No, Tommy, it's totally obvious what's going on between you and Tori. There's a word for it.
Love?
No, rebound. You're only with her because you don't want to be alone.
Oh, no, that's ridiculous, Tori. For your information, Lori and I are great together.
What did you just call me?
You're just jealous.
Tommy, you're a great guy, okay? You're gonna find the right person to be with. It's not gonna kill you to be alone. Come on.
Now remember, the phobiast is attracted to fear in all its forms. He can smell it, he can taste it, he can see it. You know, if the very thought didn't terrify me, I'd suggest using me as some sort of bait to lure him to us. But there's obviously no way I'm gonna... Guys?
Well, well. I'm glad I saved room for a midnight snack.
Might I suggest some low-sodium wheat thins?
Hey, phobiast! Over here!
A volunteer. How convenient.
Think again, Grandpa.
That's different. Well now, let's see what the wolf boy is afraid of.
Time! Afraid! Anything!
Less hubris, more punching!
Now release everyone from those trances before I really give you something to be scared of.
Perhaps I need a closer look. You're a pony person?
Yeah? What's it to you?
Now I see it.
See what?
Your fear. How quaint. You're afraid of being alone. You may not fear conventional evils, Tommy, but you are afraid. Afraid that you'll never find love because you're a werewolf. It didn't work when you tried to hide your little secret. And then the one girl you could tell, well, don't take my word for it.
I'm just glad it's finally over. A werewolf? That is so creepy.
And you'll always be alone, Tommy. Alone. Because you're a freak. or some fresh fear?
Oh, wait, I have a great idea. See ya!
Relax. I haven't done anything yet, and I've already gotten to you.
Well then, I guess there's no need to discuss the matter any further, so I'll just,
Ooh, this'll be fun.
That's a poster. Mouth's a little dry. Not exactly terrifying. Little unpleasant. Wait a minute. I'm not afraid of you. You're a movie monster. I read an article about you in Fangoria. Your teeth are made of rubber. Very sharp rubber!
What is it? What are you afraid of?
Be alone forever.
No, don't believe it. It's not true. It's not true. Don't believe it.
And what are you afraid of, young lady? Don't fall. Silly little wolf boy. We're all afraid of something.
Don't believe it. It's not true. It's not true.
It's okay to be alone. I'm not afraid anymore.
It's okay.
No escape from needle mouth.
Yoo-hoo! I'm back.
You're not afraid anymore.
No. No, actually, I feel quite fine.
I can do it. I can face my fear.
I faced my fear! And I won! I won.
Come on!
This'll be fun.
Come here, you! You're alive! You're alive! Come to Papa!
Whoa.
Yeah.
Talk about going to pieces.
Tommy, at the risk of sounding ungrateful, I thought you said you didn't have any fears.
Well, it turns out I did have one. But I got over it with a little advice from a friend.
Was it that flossing trick I showed you?
No, it wasn't.
No, it was.
Come on.
Let's go. So, Another bad dude bit the dust, and pretty soon things got back to normal. I don't think the phobia will be scaring anyone ever again. As for me, I realized that Lori was right. I didn't need to rush into a relationship, especially now that I wasn't afraid to be alone anymore. I just hoped that Tori wouldn't take it too hard.
Look, Tommy, I haven't been totally honest with you. I'm kind of on the rebound from my last boyfriend, and I think I need some time alone with me.
Well, Tori, I must say I'm a little disappointed, but I think I'll get over it.
Good. Can I have my button back?
Oh.
My button.